am Miss Tere, and now we're going to learn some new vocabulary word. You have to repeat after me. Are you ready? Yes, we are. One more time. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Very good, girls. Amazing. Okay, I need hold your hair like this. Okay, and now we're going to turn on a granny. Everybody repeat after me and says, grandmother, grandmother. One more time. Grandmother, grandmother. Very good, girls. Can you try to say one more time? Grandmother, grandmother. Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, grandfather, grandfather. Now, put your hands like this and repeat after me. Grandfather, grandfather. Okay, last time. Grandfather, grandfather. Amazing, girls. Oh, boy, boy. Boy, boy. Can you repeat after me? Boy, boy. Okay, very good, girls. Oh, now hold your hair like this. Are you ready? Says, girl, girl. Okay, one more time. Girl, girl. Very good. And the last picture, it's the big family. It's the whole family. Repeat after me. Family, family. Okay, one more time. Family, family.